Here's something super simple that you can do to stimulate communication and foster social connection with your autistic child. Anytime your child is super motivated for something, before you give it to your child, just simply pause and first wait till they can find your face. If your child is at a place where they're actually making sounds, when they have your face, try to give them the sound you want to hear from them. Maybe that's the first sound of the word. So if it's bubbles, maybe it's the buh sound. You can give it to them, say buh, buh, bubbles. See if you can get any sound from your child before delivering that preferred thing. So what we are doing is we are creating value with the face. Look at our face before having this thing that they're super motivated for. And we're practicing vocal communication by giving them the sounds that they should make and make that sound back to us. If your child is not already producing sounds, eliminate this. Just work on the social connection. If your child is producing sounds, see if you can push for a couple of seconds to get that sound. Don't push too long. You don't want to turn this into something aversive and make them upset. All you want to do is create opportunities for them to use their vocal cords in order to access the things that they want and love.